In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make quick and effective edits to your Squarespace website with ease. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or new to the platform, this guide will assist you in enhancing your site by adding a scrolling text block that can dynamically engage your visitors. Let's dive right in and walk through these simple steps. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Squarespace. You can do this by typing in the website URL in the address bar, or simply clicking on your pre-saved bookmark if you have one. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your Squarespace account. Once you're on your Squarespace dashboard, the next step is to head over to the website section. This can be found in the main menu on the left side of the dashboard. Click on the website tab and you'll be taken to the content area where all your editable pages reside. Now, to edit a particular page, simply click on the Edit button. This button is typically located right beside the page you intend to modify. This action will bring you into edit mode, allowing for changes and customizations. From here, you're now ready to add new features to your page. You will want to find and click on the Add Block button. This is an essential part of editing on Squarespace as it allows you to introduce new content and widgets into your existing web page layout. Once you've clicked Add Block, you will be presented with various options for content blocks. For today's purpose, we're focusing on adding a scrolling content block. This option might be further down the list depending on your template and options, but keep scrolling until you locate it. Once found, simply click to add the block to your page. Now it's time to personalize this feature. You'll see the default text or placeholder content in the scrolling text block. What makes this section truly unique is your ability to customize it to your heart's content. Click on the text area and a toolbar will appear, giving you customization options. You can change the text, adjust the styling, and tweak the size to match your website's design and messaging. Play around with the text until you find the wording and appearance that perfectly fit your site. This scrolling text can be a great place for announcements, quotes, or any piece of information that deserves a little extra attention from your visitors. And with that final touch, you can step back and admire the refinement you've introduced to your website. Once you're happy with the changes, simply save your work by clicking Done at the top right corner of the screen. This will ensure all your hard work is captured and goes live for your site visitors to see. There you have it, a beautifully updated Squarespace page that utilizes a scrolling text block. With these steps, making impactful changes is straightforward, allowing you to keep your site fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.